Welcome to my channel. I'm Rochelle, and today I'm going to show you how I did my fall nails. These are all the things that I used. I started off by just cutting my nails and cleaning them. Afterwards, I applied my fake nails with kiss glue and shaped them into the coffin shape. Then I began painting my nails. This color is actually whipped. Unfortunately, between the background and the lighting, you really can't see how beautiful this color is. No worries, I will fix this. Alright, I'm almost done with this hand. I'm applying about 2 to 3 coats to get the desired color that I want. Alright, and here is where I filed at the base of my nail next to the cuticle to kind of give it that acrylic look and also give a fade effect. So you can see the color a little better here, however the lighting still sucks. I'm just swabbing around my cuticles with nail polish remover, getting rid of any nail polish that has gotten around the edges. Finally, much better lighting. And you can kind of see this is a beige color, and I'm just starting with the design of my leaf. Or leaves. Alright, and we're just going to put the yellow right underneath that orange, still building and creating our leaves. I know, they look like candy corns. No worries, hopefully they'll look like leaves by the end of this next color. And again, I'm just layering the colors. And the last layer is going to be the red. Now I am just tracing around the colors, creating somewhat of a star shape, but it will actually look like a leaf once I'm done. Alright, I think it looks real good. Alright, okay. Now we gotta give it some sparkle. The easiest way to make ordinary nails look professional is to add a little glitter. Now this is my base coat, or my top coat. Afterwards, just to seal everything in. And there you have it. All done. I think they turned out beautiful. I'm loving this combination together. I hope you enjoyed this. This has been Rochelle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications as I will be uploading videos every week.